Hi guys, Steph here. Hey, yes and no, we've not seen each other for quite a while. The reason being, well, yes, I've been a little bit disheartened with all the videos, the pen work that I actually do. I noticed that the comments, I was not receiving as many comments on the videos that I normally did in the past. So that sort of said to me, well, maybe people are getting fed up with the videos that I'm doing. I don't know. But yes, I got a little bit disheartened and I was considering, well, should I stop doing what I'm doing? But, well, I needed a few weeks to sort of motivate myself to get back to doing videos. Now, although I was a bit disheartened, I was still going out looking for pens. I enjoy the drive. I enjoy the lovely weather. So basically what we've got for you here for the first video for a while is a new pen haul. These are the box ones. We'll show you the loose ones in the next videos. But yeah, as always, we've got some good, bad and ugly. We've got some nice pens. We've got some basically pens just for parts and some that maybe will go in the bin. I don't know. But without further ado, let's get into them and show you what we've found. Little bit unusual. First of all, we've got this little set here I thought was quite interesting. Okay, is it a calligraphy set? I'm not sure. Let's take out the inside. Very stiff. But there you go, look at that. Some sort of a calligraphy set. Looks like just one has been used. The other four have not. Look at the nibs there. So quite interesting. Not really my cup of tea, but I know there's people that might be of interest to them. So if it's of interest, like any other pen, you know what to do. Down below, get in touch. We found this little box here. Relief nibs made by, at the bottom, made by Estabrook. This is a shop display. You can see one, two, half a dozen boxes there of nibs. Okay, again, not my cup of tea, but if it's of interest to anybody, you know what to do. Get in touch. There we go. We've got a lovely Parker Sonnet in this gunmetal grey. Very nice indeed. If anybody's interested in a sonnet, you know what to do. Get in touch. There we go. We've got a nice grey Waterman. And this one just simply reads Waterman made in Canada. It's a lever fill in grey with this gold fill trim and this quite unusual sort of semi-hooded nib, as you can see there. I forget what model it is off the top of my head, but a lovely, lovely pen. Okay, so let's pop that to one side. There we go. We've got another Waterman. Right, I think this is it the Felice, is it? Unfortunately, as you can see there, there's no cap. Nice Conway Stewart. Right, this is one of the more interesting ones. I think this is the, is it the 73? Just bear with me. Yep. Conway Stewart 73, made in England. Unfortunately, we need to find a lever for it, as you can see there. But all in all, in lovely condition. A very nice pen indeed. So, we need to find a lever. To the side, we've got a Swan pen, is it? Which one is it? I'm not sure. Some sort of a lever pen. It's got a nice little nib there, as you can see, Swan nib. So maybe one of the earlier ones. Just needs restoring, and I'm sure somebody will enjoy that. There you go, yet another Waterman. So I've got another Waterman here. Okay, is it a W3? Hopefully you guys can see that better than I can. Yep, it's got the original nib. These make great pens, great everyday user pens. Yet another Waterman. I've just noticed there's a lot of Waterman pens here. Oh right, this is, you got a Waterman fountain pen and pencil. Let's have a look at this one. There you go, it's got an open nib as you can see there. Does it have a model number on it? I can't see one. But yeah, rather a modern one. Although it's modern, it's in very nice condition. And as you can see, comes with the original pencil as well. So that'll make a lovely pen for somebody. Now this one, I quite simply just bought this one because I thought the box is nice. The world's smoothest nib, Wyvern Pen Company, and this one's a Orium fountain pen, British made. Okay, so there we go. Don't know what that is. It stud, medium stud, but look at that underneath. It shows you that you can see the pen itself. But let's have a look. Also, I thought it was a lovely colour as well. Look at that. Okay. It has a two-tone nib, as you can see there. So it's not a gold nib, but a lovely colour. Look at that. So when it says stud, it's a stud filler. There you go. So that'll need a new sack. It'll need looking at, but again, look at the colour and the material there. Absolutely lovely. Okay, so once again, a quite unusual Orium fountain pen. Okay, and as it says there, made by Wyvern Pen Company. We've had Wyvern pens on before. Here we go, Parker. This is a nice Parker 45, as you can see there, in lovely condition. So anybody looking for a Parker 45, you know what to do. Down below, get in touch. Let's bring these on a little bit closer. This one is an empty box. It may have come with other pens or a job lot. The Miles Martin Pen Company Limited, the Biro. Okay, now this one, okay, if we open it up for you, very stiff, this particular box for some reason, upside down. There we go. And no, I think what I'll do, I'll tease you with this one. I think it's a quite a modern pen, but a lovely pen, one that I've not had in the past. So yeah, what we'll do, this one will be the teaser, and we'll do a review on it. There we go, nice box. We've got a Burnham fountain pen there, as you can see. Maybe missing the pencil, but in lovely condition. Which model is it? Can we see? Let me have a look. I don't know. It doesn't have a model number on it. Okay, so I think that's the original Burnham nib. A smallish pen, but very nice indeed. This looks like a Schaefer box. Yeah, it's a Schaefer. And there we go. This is a lovely, lovely pen indeed. It's a Schaefer. I've forgotten the model. It's got a 14 karat gold nib, inlaid nib there. And it's got a converter as well. So it's a cartridge converter. And you can see it comes with this lovely pattern. Just needs a little bit of a clean over, but in beautiful, beautiful condition. That's a lovely example. Okay, another Parker. This one I believe this is a senior. Okay, it should have number 35 nib. Can't quite see over the camera, but a nice burgundy senior. And this one is the aerometric, as you can see there. Great everyday writer pens. They are absolutely superb. And last but not least, we've got here another 2 Parker pens. There we go. Is that Parker 17? Yep, with the hooded nib there. These are aerometric fillers. And the last one being, let me have a look. Hey! Can you guess what it is? It's a... Yes, I've got a drawer full of them now, but the reason I bought this one, look at that. We've still got the original chalk marks there. So we've got a 51 Classic medium in very, very nice condition. So there we have it. They're the box pens that we found. So what I'm going to do, the next video, in fact, I've got so many loose ones, I'm going to split them in 2 videos. So the next video will be part 2 of the loose fountain pens. So don't forget, please leave a comment down below if you will, please. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up as well. But for now, Slavo Kriini from me and these pens. Bye-bye for now.